Guys, alas na isa guys oh. Ginawa ko yung triangle guys kasi yung triangle ko basag yung isa nasagasaan. Kulang din. Dalawa lang yun. So, reserva ba? Para follow the rules tayo. At least tatlo yung lagay ko dyan ngayon. Kung matagal-tagalan man to guys, wala tayong violation kahit may police dyan. Kasi meron tayong tawag nito, triangle. Sit up natin to guys. Kaya natin yung trupa. Uy! Ang layo naman ng isa. Saan ba yun? Ba't naglalakad yun? Sino ba yun? Dumaan lang yun guys. Naglalakad eh. Naglalakad pang yun na yata yung isang rescuer. Yung layo niya naman. Nalagyan natin dito guys. Ito natin lagay guys. Isa. Kahit na malapit lang. At least na makita ng pulis guys. Pagtingin ay tatlo dito. Marunong to. Nakapag-seminar to. Diba? Ngayon guys. Guys oh. Bilangin mo. Isa. Dua, tatlo. Bilangin nyo pala. Hindi pala bilangin mo. Ito ba yung lakad-lakad na yun? Iba rin yun eh. Nilalakad man. Okay, so tara natin yung daan dito guys. Mga truck, sasakyan. Wala naman masyadong sasakyan yan ano yata, nag-recycle yata sila. Kala ko guys walang palaboy ito sa Canada. Meron pala yan naglalakad guys. Kita nyo yan, hindi ko kilala yan. Galaw go. Ano pala to guys? Mahilig din pala to sa gala-gala itong mga ibang lahi. Ang gala-gala guys, ang layo niya. Tingnan nyo guys. Pasapin natin. Pasapin natin guys. Siya ba yan o iba? Siya nga.
Fucking tire of car. That's what broke it.
Maybe hit it.
Yeah, when you have rolled it on it by mistake, that's how it
Hit it. They stuck there.
yeah, and cut it.
That's the one big problem guys. And
A
that's
fucking
why
car tire.
yeah. I'm looking there. Who is that guy? I think someone to told him also.
Huh?
But now I see it's you. This one. Maybe, but this tire is not mine.
No, it's
maybe
not
for someone.
Oh, yeah, it's a car. It's
Yeah.
from a car.
Yeah.
It's not from a truck.
It's like car.
Yeah. And people were trying to avoid him, and they will create a crash, trying to avoid this shit. No?
Yeah.
That's why I have go to remove from.
Much better to avoid this because someone is making this problem to any people coming.
Yes.
Destroy.
Yeah.
Problem is life.
That's really dangerous.
Yeah. But you hide, you put there. You put there. What is the happening? Why?
Yeah, your mark from your tire start
Yeah.
right beside after you hit this thing.
You follow.
Yeah, your tire start right before.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm sure that's the thing that broke your thing. I hope
Okay.
it's coming soon. It's not
Yeah, it's okay.
really far.
I'm making this what is this idea only. If it's a waste of time, it's okay. For me, it's much better to fix. It's okay, and it's okay. You doing no pass, or I will try my best to make it complete. Yeah.
Not your fault. People try to avoid it and
Yeah.
almost crash trying to change oil, and it's not a good place for that.
Yeah. This one is hitting also the skin, huh? This one is hit also in the skin like this. Maybe trash.
Yeah, with that, I think it's the tire that broke when the car was running, and that's removed from, and the people maybe have stopped, changed the tire, and left this on the road.
Yeah.
That's pretty stupid because that creates a problem with the other car.
Yeah.
I see 2 or 3 cars running on it when I was walking.
Ah, you have idea about this?
Yeah, I see. It's
Hey,
smashed.
first time if you don't going there and you show me this one. Now I have idea this one is
Wait.
it's already called his friend, guys.
Ah, ok, c'est bon. C'est bon. C'est le retour, ouais, tu vas me voir, on est juste avant la pancarte de 2 km de...
Walang niya to, guys.
Sa Terra, tu prends l'autoroute.
Ito lang pala ang nakadali sa ano ko, guys. Trailer ko,
Right.
sarap ng biyahe ko. Wala sa ayos. Picture natin yan, guys.
Sorry, we'll be 15 minutes now because he's going, he's leaving the shop right now.
50 minutes ulit again.
Maybe less. Because we are not that far. The shop is really not that far. And he left the shop and he come with the right part.
It's okay. The important
We
is
try
to
faster than we can.
Yeah, it's okay, my friend. But thanks to rescue me. If no one rescue me there, what are you doing there?
Yeah.
Maybe someone police coming. No.
I don't think they make some trouble for that.
Yeah,
but that's sure a real road service from that will be more time to wait.
Yeah, it's nice. Alright. Guys, napapalaban ko sa English ko, guys, o napapalaban ako, guys? Siya ang napalaban, guys, kasi siya nang nahirapan, guys, eh. Alright, guys. So hanggang sa muli, mga idol, tutok lang sa ating mga video, sa ating kakulitan, sa sunod pa natin mga video na upload kung saan tayo mapadpad ng lugar. Basta ano lang, good vibes lang tayo. Shout out sa mga trikers dyan. Alright, God bless everybody around the world, and good boy.